Lesson 3, today we're working on place value. If you look over here, you'll notice a place value template. You don't have to draw this, but it can be helpful. I just did ones, tens, and hundreds. You'll notice I also have tally marks in here for ones. In class today, I actually used Monopoly money, tens and ones, and other bills. So in this case, we have tallies. So this means there would be 5, 10, 11, 12 ones. Is there a way to regroup that is basically what we're looking at. In this category, or in this column, I don't want to have 2 digits. I just want to have 1 digit for ones. So I have to get rid of something here. I have to carry it or move it over there. So if I have 10 ones, I could go to the bank and I could trade it in for a $10 bill. So what would happen is I would move this 1 or these 10 to make 1 10, and I would have 1 10 and 2 ones, put it all together, it'd be $12. Let's say we had $312. Let's try to make it a little more interesting. If I did that, I would just stick my 3 in my hundreds place. I already have my 110 and my 2 ones, 312. It's just place value straight across the board there. We could also write that in what's called expanded form. Expand means to make bigger or longer, larger. So if we expand the form, 312 could be written as 3 hundreds plus 110 plus 2 ones. It would just be written out in each place value. Here are a couple of examples for us to try. What if we have 12 $10 bills? So this is similar to our 12 ones, but if we have 12 tens right here, that's no good because we can't have 12 in here. There's only 1 digit that belongs. So what I would do is I'd take 10 tens, which would be the same as 100, and I'm going to move it over here. So now I get 100, 2 tens, and there's nothing in ones, but I do need to put a 0 there. So we'd have $120 in this case. Make sure when you write dollars, you have your dollar sign in front of the number like that. Number 2, 12 $1 bills and 12 $10 bills. So if I have 12 of these and 12 of these, I have to do a whole bunch of maneuvering at the bank. So I take in my 12 ones, and they say, all right, we can give you a $10 bill and leave you with your 2. So now my ones are squared away. I have 2 $1 bills, done. I have 13 tens though. If I trade in 10 of these, they'll give me a $100 bill. So I'm going to trade in this 10 to make a $100 bill right there, and then I'm going to be set with 100, 3 tens, and 2 ones. If I put it together in digit form, it'd be 132. Practice, there are 3 of them here. Take a look, try them out, and I'll tell you the answers. Okay, first one, which digit is in the tens place? We look at our number, 365, our tens are right here in the middle, so it'd be 6. Done. If we use digits to write a number, it's just writing it normal, so they wrote it out in 3 hundreds plus 5 tens. So I have 3 hundreds, 5 tens, but I also have ones, which would be 0 ones, so it'd be 350. And finally, how much money is 1 $100 bill plus 10 $10 bills plus 15 $1 bills? So if we're solving this one, I would set it up this way. I would take my $100 bill plus my 10 $10 bills, which is another 100, plus my 15 $1 bills, and I add that all up, I get 5, 1, 2, $215, like that. Thank you for watching Place Value.